$800 isn't gonna work.
Okay, I hear you, Jay. Everybody wants a lower payment, I understand. Other than the payment though, nothing stops you from taking this new Grand Cherokee home today, correct?
No, correct.
All right, look, Jay, everybody knows automobiles and trucks depreciate, right?
Yes.
Okay, but what not everybody knows is that every time you write out a check for a car or a truck, part of that money is coming back to you. Consider it a savings, if you will. Literally, a part of that payment is going to turn into a savings account in the form of an automobile title for you. Look, here's what you don't want to do. And I just draw a rectangle here, and I write down $800, I fake a signature, I fake a lender, and then I say, here's what you don't want to do. I get it, Jay. You don't want to send that sucker to the lender because I'm guessing you, like most of my customers, think that money's gone forever, right?
Yep.
Okay. It's not gone forever, all right? I'm going to show you this payment in a big picture format. Look, here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to write an $800 check times 60. But when you make that 60th payment, Jay, what comes back to you in the mail?
Title.
And it's a really, really cool title because it's only got one name on it. It's free and clear. You own that sucker outright. That title acts like a really expensive share of stock. I mean, you could sell it, couldn't you?
Yep.
And you could trade it.
Yep.
You could borrow against it.
Yep.
Key is, you're looking at a $50,000 vehicle. If you just drive this vehicle normally, you don't crash it, you don't trash it, what do you think it'll be worth in 60 months?
Around 15,000.
15,000. I hope it's worth more than that, but let's be conservative. $15,000 now. You got no car payment, you got a $15,000 vehicle and a title. So why don't we do this? Why don't we take 15,000, divide it by 60, and that's going to be 2, 1, 20, 30, that's $250. You know what that $250 represents?
No.
It represents the amount of money that you're saving every single time you write that $800 check. Because on the way to the lender, $250 is going straight back to that title. So that means what it's going to cost you to drive this Grand Cherokee is only $550 a month. I need your okay right here so we can get that sucker cleaned up. That's story development. Now, how many times do you think I've done that? A bunch. A bunch. But that's how good you guys can get, and it won't take you very long. When should you unleash this on a customer?
When they give you the objection on the thing.
Well, yeah, when you get the objection, but how long? Will it be a month or two before you're ready?
No.
No. Don't wait till you're perfect. If you wait till you're perfect at this, when will you do it?
No. Never.
Never is the right answer. Okay? Don't worry about making a mistake. First of all, there won't be a camera in your face. Number two, there won't be somebody picking it apart. Okay? I want you to practice it, but I want you to use it on your customers.